Hello and welcome, James Mann back with another truth video proving we have been lied to about reality since early childhood. If you believe your childhood heliocentric education, you really need to try and prove it on your own. I would like to show you something that shows the globe model does not match what we can prove in reality. Since 2018, my preference for disproving the globe model is by measuring for Earth curvature looking over water. We were all taught the heliocentric model as children in public school. My question to you is, what have you personally proven about the heliocentric model that you can show us? Heliocentric Earth has to have very specific curvature, in order to have a spherical Earth 25,000 miles round. Let me give you a real-world example of that. Let's start with the fact that water does not bend, and it is always level when at rest. This allows me to see longer distances without obstacles blocking my view. I will use an Earth curvature calculator to do the math using my eye level or camera level and the distance to a target. My target will be Martin Head, New Brunswick. It's an 80-foot high island 21 miles from my camera, and my camera is at 127 feet above sea level at Cape and Rage, New Brunswick. The curvature calculator shows the amount of predicted Earth curvature is 35 feet, and that means about half the island should be blocked by that 35 feet of curvature. Here is the video I made while I was at Cape and Rage. I am at Cape and Rage looking 21 miles using my Nikon P1000 camera. I slowed it down so you can see the details that disprove curvature to 21 miles. The black line across the base of the island is seaweed-covered rocks that are only visible at low tide, proving we are seeing the entire height of Martin Head. And that means there is 35 feet of missing curvature, and this was only 21 miles. As the camera pans to the right, notice the cliffs beyond Martin Head. Those cliffs are 100 feet high and 27 miles from my camera. Curvature calculators claim there is 118 feet of predicted Earth curvature to those cliffs. That means we should not be seeing those cliffs as they would be blocked by Earth curvature. Thing is, we can see those cliffs, again proving Earth is not what we were taught in public school. The cliffs in the distance beyond the left end of the island are 30 miles, demanding even more Earth curvature. However, the curvature line across the island shows those cliffs would have to be blocked 100% by Earth curvature, yet none of those cliffs are blocked, again disproving predicted Earth curvature. That should be enough evidence to show we have been lied to about reality, but let's not stop here. Let's take this a bit further down the coast to the left. Those cliffs are 400 to 500 feet high, except at the end of the cliff where it is 190 feet high. The predicted Earth curvature to that location is 330 feet, and should be blocked by Earth curvature, yet we clearly see the cliff is not blocked at all. Again disproving predicted Earth curvature. St. Martin's is 100 feet high, and 41 miles from my camera. It should be blocked by 497 feet of predicted Earth curvature. As I continue panning to the left past St. Martin's, we come to Quaco and then to Quaco Head, where there is a 400-foot hill 43 miles from my camera. That 400-foot hill should be blocked by 572 feet of predicted Earth curvature, but like all the other locations, it's not blocked at all, proving water is level to 43 miles. Disproving our lifelong heliocentric childhood public school programming.